Welcome to another Tax Tip Thursday. This is Timothy Wingate, your licensed enrolled agent. I'm here today to talk about health insurance for small business owners. I had a question left on a comment from the last video. Someone asked this question about health insurance for small businesses, and I want to address that today. So when we're talking about health insurance is an deductible expense. If you're self-employed, meaning that you have a 1099 or you're just doing things as a sole proprietor or a single member LLC, you can deduct health insurance payments or premium payments on your 1040. And you can do that only if you're not married. And if you're married, then if your spouse works somewhere else and she has health insurance provided to her from her employer, then you can't take the deduction at that time because you qualify for another health insurance plan. But if she doesn't have a plan offered to her, then, or to him, I'm speaking from a male's perspective, but if they don't have a health insurance plan offered by their employer, then you're allowed to take this deduction on your 1040. But let's say if you're an S corporation, which a lot of my clients are S corporations, so they always want to know, can I deduct health insurance for myself, the business owner? Well, it's a little tricky because for S corporations, you can take the deduction. The same rules apply for if you have a spouse, but if you want to take this deduction, then you need to actually have the premium payments either put on your paycheck, meaning that you have to count that premium payment as income so that way it can be taxed. So if the business is paying for your health insurance as an S corporation owner, then you will actually need to include those premium payments on your W-2 or your paycheck, and those premium payments will be taxed. The other thing is, if you want to just pay the premiums out of your pocket and then have the business reimburse those premium payments, then you can do that as well. Because you remember, if you're paying out of your personal pocket, that money has already been taxed, so it doesn't need to be taxed again. So now you can just have the business just reimburse you for those health insurance premium payments, and that's under what we call an accountable plan. If you're a C corporation, it doesn't matter. You can be an employee, you could be a business owner. All 100% of the health insurance payments are 100% deductible. They don't have to be taxed. So that's the benefit of having a C corporation versus an S corporation, only when it comes to health insurance premium payments. So I hope this tax tip was helpful. I hope that you learned a lot. Again, see me next week. If you like this video, comment below. If you're on my YouTube channel, make sure that you subscribe to this channel so you can get updates when the next Tax Tip Thursday is going to come out. All right, have a great one.